Jason Pals here, the 2-Day Investment Blueprint. So in this section, we're going to talk about repair estimates. I can't tell you how many times trained 22,000 plus investors. Jason, I'm ready to go on the appointment. I really want to get this deal, but I'm so scared about estimating what the repairs are. Look, here's the skinny. I'm never going to be good at estimating repairs. You don't have to be good at estimating repairs. We have a repair estimate download spreadsheet here, which will calculate for you and give you a rough estimate. But the bottom line is this. Things are always going to change. So I'm sure you've read online videos, this, that, or the other thing. You talk to people. Everybody's always worried about making a mistake on the repair estimates. The bottom line is this. You should shadow contractors, right? And hey, can I go on estimates with you? It's a smart thing to do if you really want to get good at it. I certainly don't. I usually just have the contractor do the repair estimates for me, right? Or if I'm wholesaling a property, it's up to them to figure out what the repair costs are. I never make that my problem, okay? So there is no easy solution to that. We do have a spreadsheet and a download for you, but I would stop putting so much emphasis on what are the repair costs, and I would just find a way to do a general estimation. That's why we have this download for you. But if you really want to get good at it, then I suggest reaching out to a few contractors and say, hey, can I just shadow you when you go on appointments to do bids for people, and just try to get a good feel for it, okay? You make more money when you're running the machine well versus spending all this time trying to get exact with a dollar amount, because somebody else that comes along or wants to buy a property from you, if you do end up wholesaling it, it's probably going to have a different number. They have different contractors. Maybe they have a higher end finish that they're looking to do on this property, or a lower end finish. So all these moving parts, by process of elimination, it just, to me personally, I'm just telling you, to me personally, it just means that why would you devote all this time getting good at that when you can have somebody else on the house that you want give you the bid, because hopefully you're not going to do the work. You're too valuable at this point to do it. And then secondly, if you're going to wholesale it to somebody, it's up to them to come up with their numbers. And if it's different than what you originally thought, you've already bought yourself time in the contract to go back and renegotiate with the property owner and say, hey, there's more work here than I thought. So I'm trying to give you a reprieve so that you don't go down some repair rabbit hole. That's what I would tell you to do. That's how I would tell you to approach this. But I'm telling you right now, I on purpose don't ever want to be good at repair estimates. So you should be going on more appointments. You should be seller waltzing. You should be locking up deals. All these things will work themselves out. Your end buyers, they can figure out. If it's one that you're going to keep, you're going to have somebody do it because you need to keep your machine running, because you're going to make more money. So that's what I would tell you. Hopefully you understand that. Hopefully you adopt that as far as your spinning wheel in your real estate business. Okay.